Hi, my name is Delaney Ball, and today we will be replacing the battery on the Razor XLR 100. This is a relatively easy process. It should take about 10 minutes from start to finish. You will only need the following tool: a Phillips screwdriver. This process can be completed in 4 easy steps. Step 1, remove the deck lid. Step 2, remove the battery. Step 3, install your new battery. And step 4, reinstall the deck lid. As with working with any electric product, make sure you turn the product off before you begin. Now let's get started on step 1, removing the deck lid. There are 6 screws securing the deck lid. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all 6 of the screws. Once you remove the screws, make sure you put them somewhere safe so that you don't lose them. With all 6 of the screws removed, we can now remove the deck lid. Simply lift it straight up. That concludes step 1, removing the deck lid. Now on to step 2, removing the battery. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the battery strap. With the 2 screws out, we can now remove the battery strap, followed by the foam pad. Make sure to set them somewhere safe. Now we are going to lift up the battery, lift it up and stand it straight up in its box. Trace the wires from the back of the battery to its plug, and then simply pinch and pull to separate. Now that the battery has been disconnected, we can remove it from the scooter. Always make sure to recycle your batteries properly. That concludes step 2, removing the battery. Now on to step 3, installing your new battery. Now you can take your new battery and place it back into the scooter with the wires coming from the back facing towards the left side of the scooter. Once the battery is situated, simply press the plugs together until you hear a click. Next, let's reinstall the battery strap. Start by placing the foam pad, followed by the battery strap, and then you can go ahead and reinstall the 2 screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, tighten down the 2 screws. With the battery strap back in place, that concludes step 3, installing the new battery. Now on to step 4, reinstalling the deck lid. Now take your deck lid and place it back onto the scooter, making sure that you line up all the holes. Take your Phillips screwdriver and reinstall all 6 of the screws. With the deck lid back into place, that completes step 4 and the process of replacing the battery on the Razor XLR 100. If you are still having troubles, you can contact customer support at razor.com. Once again, my name is Delaney Ball, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through this process. See you next time.